is a really great grassroots project because it basically tells people that there is a large community out there that's interested in getting involved and helping each other. And so we hope, and we've seen, that this inspires other people to do similar things or something completely different, but that has that goal in mind of helping out their fellow community members. I lived in an apartment when I first moved to Lubbock, and I realized I didn't have much access to green space or be able to grow much. I lived on the 3rd floor, and so I really wanted to kind of make myself a part of the Lubbock community and teach people what I know. And so I went around asking if I could create a garden, and luckily found some amazing people that helped me and let me use their land. We are a free garden open to anyone who's interested. You don't have to have a green thumb to get involved. We encourage people to come and learn with us. We suggest that if you volunteer your time, you're able to take whatever you want. We also have monthly meetings on the 1st Thursday of the month, in which we talk about our plans and upcoming events, any sort of outreach events we have going on, when we need volunteer help, things like that. We try to go beyond growing to also learning how to cook the food. Because it's one thing to have a really cool heritage squash, but it's another thing to know what to do with it. We try to use permaculture techniques, so we try to utilize the land to its biggest advantage. So that means, vertical growing or putting things in certain areas that have more natural shade because there's a plant nearby, things like that. We have rainwater harvesting here where we collect the rainwater, and we only need 1 inch of rainfall based on our structure to be able to collect 250 gallons of rain. Service goals of the garden are to bring the community together and have a common space that gets them outside and active. We try to promote better nutrition by teaching people about fresh produce, but also to supplement the costs of buying food. This is a very diverse socioeconomic area, and so we're trying to get people to have more awareness and education about their food, where it comes from, and also learn how to grow their own so they don't always have to buy expensive produce.